Hey everybody, welcome back. Stonebroke Adventure. We're doing a restoration on a 13-foot Boston whaler. When we do the restoration on the boat, we got to restore the trailer. That's why I got these. These are 40-inch trailer guides for the trailer. It's going to guide that boat onto the trailer. Don't have to worry about missing my rollers. These are the VEVOR 40-inch. Come with all the hardware you need. Guides, 40-inch PVC. These come in different sizes, 40, 60-inch, different colors. These are the white 40-inch. You put that roller on the side right there, the thing's gonna roll around nice. 40 inches. Let's see where that lands on this thing. 40-inch. I'm right here at the bend to the top of the roller. Let's go ahead and install these, show you what they look like installed on the boat trailer. It has these high strength U-bolts here, and also on the front U-bolt you can use that as a rope clip. It has that little dimple in it there. You can clip a rope if you needed a tie down. Nice painted steel construction on that, really corrosion resistant. You can see here the PVC slips right on down the side when you drive that boat on. That's going to give you a guide. One thing these also really help with is when you're backing a boat down a boat ramp. A lot of times you'll lose this boat as it drops down the ramp. These will give you that extra visibility and let you see where that trailer is lining up. They say nice little guides. You can adjust the height of these. All you have to do is cut the pipe down lower if this is too high for you. But yeah, nice little guides. It's what I needed for the boat trailer. Hey, make sure you check the links below. You purchase something through one of those links, I get a small commission. That helps me keep this channel alive. So anything that I've got linked down there, take a look at it. So from Stonebroke Adventure, until next time, bloop.